Hi friends, today I'll tell you about American action film Rambo The First Blood Part 2. It was released in 1985, directed by George P. Cosmatos. I will tell you all cast, real name, age and how they look like then and now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's get started. Cast: Lieutenant Day, then aged 36 years, now aged 73 years. Real name George Chong. Cast: Go, then aged 27 years, now aged 63 years. Real name Julia Nixon. Cast: Rickson, then aged 29 years, now aged 76 years. Real name Martin Cove. Cast: Podolsky, then aged 48 years, now aged 84 years. Real name Stephen Berkoff. Cast: Chief Radio, then aged 49 years, died in 2021. Real name Roger Courtney. Cast: Trautman, then aged 59 years, died in 2003. Real name Richard Crenna. Cast: Kin, then aged 30 years, now aged 66 years. Real name Dana Lee. Cast: Murdoch, then aged 49 years, died in 2011. Real name Charles Napier. Cast: Yushin, then aged 45 years, now aged 82 years. Real name Voyo Gorik. Cast: Rambo, then aged 39 years, now aged 76 years. Real name Sylvester Stallone. Thanks for watching.